Carlo SS, twin turbo, big block, 2,400 horsepower. One of the fastest in the country. Look at this thing, guys. Dang. And he is done up. Wait till we get to the front of this. Thing is nasty, guys. Look at that. Absolutely amazing, man. Intercooled, huge turbos. Look at that, guys. Two of them up here. Giant everything. Big block.
Here we got 3 Beanie Babies across from the pavilion. In the middle where the walkway is. There's also a raffle going on over there for a Corvette. Not for us, but there's a raffle there. You could win a Corvette or some cash.
Absolutely awesome, guys.
Earl Mullet. I don't know if he's around. I haven't seen it, but I'm pretty sure I saw his bus. His VW buses. We're doing VWs.
There's the Monte Carlo guy.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.